Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Malinis na.
Okay.
Oh,
sumasabay.
wow. Galing ah. Talagang bagong-bago na.
One last.
Kana pili din istanan?
Oo, pwede na. Ayos.
Magkano bili mo yan sa ano?
25?
Patrick,
25 real.
what is this? What's the name of this?
Throttle body.
And the other one here?
This one intake manifold.
So throttle
Intake
body
manifold.
Intake manifold.
and intake manifold.
Ay, ako na i-shade sa group eh.
Pag kumukuhan ka, sorry.
sorry.
Anang pwedaghan sa tuwa.
Kana siya?
Pero bensin ko rin muna likod.
Ang
This
pwede
is
din ako.
the-
sakit sa bulsa pag...
Pwede ba ipadala? Pwede ba
Jerky,
isabay sa
This is
bagahe?
just service.
Ay,
It is not
tuwa
like
na ba
it is
na yan?
jacking.
Kanang klimabol.
We are just
Oo,
service.
basta.
The jacking is because of
Si
the
Kuyaw?
Ah.
of the coil.
This
ignition.
is just cleaning. Of
Yeah,
the,
this we are just cleaning.
But
because-
maybe also this one.
No. This
So
one
it
will.
does not.
This one is just servicing.
So the jerky because of the ignition coil and spark plug.
Yes.
Oh, kakaiba. So kailangan mo already clean na Patrick Bike?
So it means you're not allowed to clean this